Hello. Okay, we're doing our pretzel rolls. So you should have let it risen. It should be doubled in size. We're going to do a couple of things to um, do a little prep work before we actually deal with the dough. So we're going to grease our pan or just get together baking sheets. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to get our baking soda bath together and get that started on the stove. And then that'll be this first video, and then the next one will be shaping our dough. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees. And then the next thing I need to do is I need to take 9 cups of water and add half of a cup of baking soda to it. Okay. I actually, when I record, I have to, my Bluetooth headset doesn't work, or I can't figure out how to make it work. So I'm plugged in, so I'm gonna have to take them off and put them back on because I can't reach my, but I'm gonna do 9 cups of water in here and then I'll come back over. All right, that took a second. 9 cups of water in. I'm going to add a half of a cup of baking soda. And so the reason we do this, I'm going to give these pretzel rolls a bath. And this is the way you make any kind of soft pretzel. It helps us have that outside to a pretzel. Sometimes I call it a skin. That sounds gross. But chewy outside to a pretzel. And we don't have to, it's called a bath. We're just going to put them in there for a very short amount of time after we get them shaped and everything before we bake them. And I'm just going to whisk that together. It gives us that exterior we want for pretzels. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put this on the stove. I'm going to turn it up to like a medium-high heat to start with while we do everything else. The last thing I'm going to do is you can either line or grease a 9 by 13 pan, or you can do these on just a baking sheet on a silicone baking liner. So if you don't have a 9 by 13 pan, that's what I would recommend doing. And so just a silicone baking liner or parchment paper would be fine. You can also line, a pan like this with parchment paper as well. Okay? So that's what we're doing. Just make sure if you're greasing just to get really into these corners. We don't want any lumps. We just want like this nice thin coating over the whole thing. Okay? So when we come back, what we're going to do, make sure you have like a clear workspace. I'm going to have to make a little bit of a clear workspace. I have some stuff out for a class later today, but I'll move it around a little bit. Make sure you have a workspace that's clear that you can shape this dough with. And then I'm going to use a pizza cutter to cut my dough. You could use a knife as well, or you can kind of experiment with both to see which one you like best. Okay, so I'm going to start a new video and for the next step, okay?